Welcome back, Earthlings, people of this fine Earth, somewhere in this universe, or galaxy. Oh, hey, by the way, we are doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Basically, probably better say Z Flip, because it's a whole mouthful. But anyway, I did a pre-order. I got a few items. The other items have not arrived just because they're either out of stock or just slow shipment. So I got the 256 gig version of this one, and I got the carbon fiber aramid case because I just love carbon fiber. So as you see, this box is very thin. So guess what? There's probably not a charger that is included, because Apple did the same thing with their iPhone 12 Pros, and they basically said we're gonna screw everyone over, and guess what? Everyone always follows Apple. So let's open up the box. We got a fancy space age knife. There we go, and bam. All right. So as you see, you're nicely presented with this device in this box. Lift up this little tab right here, and there you go. And of course, there's this other box that has a SIM ejector tool. Samsung, by the way, makes very good SIM ejector tools. And some other, oh, they actually include a cable. So this is a USB-C to USB-C. It's probably USB 2.0 speeds. I have no idea. Some other stuff in here. Let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. It's kind of a little damaged. And that's it. Right, a little more. They don't include stickers. Wow, they're worse than Apple. I thought Apple didn't include stickers, but they still do. They didn't give you one, by the way. But no charger, all this stuff. And of course, this aramid case, this carbon fiber. Let's open this up real quick. So there are very interesting instructions on how you would want to install this thing. So first thing is that it's a two-part thing. So there's actually a little sticky stuff right here. These are basically just the grips to hold it onto the phone, because as you see, this phone actually folds in half. So if we carefully remove this protective plastic thing, which I'm trying to find the ends on. Oh, here we go. And if you do it right, you can basically break your phone in half. And you get this nice click, by the way. Sounds pretty good. So what they improved on for the second version is they made the screen material kind of like glass-like, a little bit harder to scratch, more clarity, and they made the big screen up here a little bit larger so it's more usable. Otherwise, everything else is the same. Same battery life. I think maybe the processor is a little bit better. They changed some of the software, but of course we'll leave that to the professionals to do the full in-depth review. But this is just the initial thought of the unboxing, which is pretty much nothing. You basically get nothing in this box, and it's actually worse than Apple, even though Apple did decide to start the trend. So first, let's figure out what the mass of this device is. So we're gonna start the scale. Initialize it, warm it up, and then of course it's already set to 0, so we're good. And we'll just place the device on here. And right there, we see it's 184 grams. Of course, if you guys are using imperial measurements, we can go in terms of ounces. And that reads 6.6 ounces. And of course, if you add the case on there, basically, which doesn't add any more weight, yeah, it ends up being 203 grams. So very minimal. It's a nice looking phone. Feels pretty good, actually. I got the Phantom Black. By the way, it's not called black. It's called Phantom Black. So, Apple, of course, doesn't have something called gray. It's called Space Gray. So let's take a look at how long this thing is. Wow, this is like an old ancient ruler. We'll try to find some usable markings. So with the phone expanded out, it's about 6.5 inches in length. And of course, the width of it is it's about 2.5 inches, so somewhere around there. And I have the Pixel 4 phone. It's basically the same width and all like that, but it folds in half. So it's a very good phone, especially if you carry two devices. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the idea of unboxing. I won't go through too much of the software because there's already different reviews and there's professionals that do that. But yeah, this is just what you expect to get with the box and some stuff that I ordered. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know. And as always, have a nice day.